Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The fictitious 2027 Lamborghini Motorhome is a work of art, a car that goes beyond the conventional limits of mobile living and automotive design. It's a mobile platform that embodies everything you want to see, and is an exercise in ultimate elegance and performance. A true expansion of the Lamborghini brand into a whole new realm. This motorhome would be more than just a recreational vehicle. It would be a daring, dramatic declaration of luxury, speed, and unwavering flair. Compared to the traditional boxy RV, the outside appearance would be a drastic change. With Lamborghini's trademark sharp angles, geometric lines, and a predatory, low-slung stance, it would be a bold and forceful work of mobile art. Advanced, lightweight carbon fiber would be used to shape the body, not only to reduce weight but also to create a beautiful, functional look. Aerodynamic features like integrated diffusers and active rear wings would be operational, suggesting a performance level much above average for a car this size. The design would incorporate the recognizable Lamborghini Y-shaped lighting characteristics, and the usage of custom-made, enormous alloy wheels would finish the appearance and exude exclusivity and high performance. The 2027 Lamborghini Motorhome's inside would be an unmatched showcase for custom luxury and cutting-edge technology. A cabin that is more of a futuristic cockpit than a living area would keep the everything you want to see. Promise. The best materials, including hand-stitched leather, Alcantara, polished carbon fiber, and CNC machined aluminum, would be used to painstakingly create each surface. The owner may set up the room for a range of uses, from a mobile office to a high-tech entertainment lounge, because to the layout's high degree of modularity and customization. Every system in the car, including the multi-zone climate control, ambient lighting, and sophisticated audiovisual systems, would be controlled by a central control console, possibly with a holographic interface. With its minimalist elegance and bed that can be retracted to give more living space throughout the day, the master suite would be a tranquil haven. One of the main components of the Lamborghini Motorhome's attraction would be its powertrain. It would have a high-performance hybrid or all-electric system that produces tremendous torque and smooth acceleration, even though it isn't built for track speeds. This would guarantee that the motorhome would have the thrilling driving experience that is characteristic of Lamborghini, regardless of its size. While an all-wheel drive system would provide competent handling in any weather, advanced adaptive suspension would offer a magic carpet ride, smoothing out flaws and offering stability at high speeds. To put it simply, not everyone would be a good fit for the 2027 Lamborghini Motorhome. It would be a coach-built, ultra-exclusive commission for the most discriminating people who want the highest level of luxury, engineering, and automotive design, even in a motorhome. A rolling testimony to the idea that the pursuit of excellence and beauty has no limits. It would be an awe-inspiring declaration of wealth and desire.